attentive only because I don't have time to download. See, guys, I might be poor in mathematics because I studied way back in 2006-7. After that, I did not study mathematics. Guys, you people help me out if I am wrong. Okay, help ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ. I don't have problem learning from you people. Is the screen visible? A plus B into
Yes, sir.
C into D. Guys, in this mathematical expression, first you solve this, or will you solve the braces first? Girls, I need the answer from you. Will you solve first plus and multiplication symbol or the braces? Why Salema?
Braces, sir.
Braces. So, like, it will be a good. Will it be a good practice if we use some priority, like first the braces should be used, next addition symbol? Question is it a good practice to follow some rules, like first braces should be done, next simple mathematical calculations like addition or subtraction or minus, so that should be done, next modulus operation or exponential operations, next that should be done? Or is it a better practice to do randomly? Should we have a certain pattern, or it should be open? It should be random. Pattern or random, guys? Reply that one.
Certain pattern, sir.
Reply
Pattern.
one pattern irbekala. Even in C program, guys, when we are solving any problems, if we are solving any problems, what we can do is area is equal to length into breadth is right. What we can write is area is equal to length into breadth. We can put it on braces, opening braces and closing braces. Here also, enter the value of radius is there, right? So what we can do is we can put this 3.14 into radius into a braces. That will be a better practice, guys. What if we do that one? Will it be a better practice or not? Answer to my question. Will it be a better practice or not?
Yes, sir.
Area is equal to pi r square. If you put that pi r square in a bracket, is it a good practice or not?
Yes, sir, it is.
Girls, tiffin another. Are you people cooking? Girls, respond. Is it a better practice or not? That's my question. Yes, everyone respond. Respond P. Next we have is last topic, precedence of operators. So precedence of operators. Notes
ಹುಡುಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ಲು ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹುಡುಗಿ ನಾವು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಮಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಗಳಿಂದ ಪಾತ್ರೆ
here precedence. It is the rule that specifies the order in which certain operations need to be performed. See here, guys, is the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
See here, precedence or priority. It is the rule that specifies the order in which certain operations need to be performed. It's agbudu. Precedence is nothing but it specifies the order in which certain operations need to be performed in an expression. Okay. So see here, open bracket and close bracket, it will be having same priority, guys. So what we should do is, if you assign priority, first priority might go to this one. First priority might go to this one, open braces and close braces. Both will be having same priority, but this should be taken as left and this should be taken as right. Left associativity, right associativity. See here, these two braces are having same precedence. These two braces are having same precedence. Now, sir, it is having same precedence, sir. How to solve this one? Left precedence, right precedence. Left precedence, right precedence. Okay, you should solve like that. Is this clear? How to take the precedence? How to consider the precedence? If that is clear, reply P, reply RR. Reply R. So let us see what is precedence and how it is done, how the values are precedences. Here we can write the mathematical expressions like A divided by B. So here we should write like this, guys. A divided by B should be written as A slash B. A divided by B should be written as A slash B. S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. This should be written as S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2 slash 2. Area is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So this should be written as square root SQRT S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Let us see, guys, associativity. First, what we are supposed to solve is braces. Here, first, what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to solve the braces. Next, increment to decrement. This is increment or decrement, guys. This is increment and this is decrement. First, we should search if there are any braces. Next, we should search if there are any increment and decrement. Next, we should solve multiplication. See here. First, we should solve multiplication, guys. If there are anything, first we should solve multiplication. After multiplication, we should solve division and modulus. Next, we should solve plus and minus, addition and subtraction. Next, we should solve bitwise shift. Next, we should solve bitwise right shift. Next, we should solve bitwise and bitwise OR. I will give you 2 minutes time. Go through this one. See, guys, the program, if it encounters any expression in the program, if the compiler encounters any expression, first it is going to follow these rules. First, it is going to follow these rules. First, it is going to follow these rules. First, it is going to search for braces. Next, it is going to search for increment, decrement. Next, it is going to search for division, modulus. Next, it is going to search for minus, plus. Next, it is going to search for bitwise shift, bitwise right shift, and equality operators, logical operators. First two braces will be solved. I will show you some examples. Is this table clear? Reply clear if it is clear. What is precedence? Matte is if the table is clear. Reply clear. Reply clear. Pooja, Nitin, Nivedita, Monica. Others. I will download the attendance.
Teacher.
Okay, let us see an example, guys. Example ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Here they have not taken the examples. Then I will Google it if there are no examples. I think examples are not there. Yes, this is the example, guys. You can solve this one. You can go through this one. See here, first it is going to see here what it is solving. Hey, nodile, guys, respond. Reply, respond. Be attentive, everyone. See here, first what it is solving? It is not solving from 12 plus 3 minus 4. First what it is solving is it is solving division and addition, because ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ first it is solving division. ನೋಡ್ರಲ್ಲಿ girls, especially girls, listen here. It is not solving addition and subtraction first. It is not solving addition and subtraction first. It is solving division, because division is having higher priority than this minus and plus. Okay, see here, first what it is solving is it is solving division. Okay, if you go through this one, I will solve an example, guys. I think today we are running out of time. I will solve with an example. Guys, is this precedence of an operator clear? Reply PO if it is clear. You need to memorize that table, that's it. Guys, one more thing, tomorrow once again we have lab, guys. I think if I can remember, tomorrow once again we have lab. Yeah, at least first class. Okay, at least see here, every time I say the same thing to you people. Tomorrow is the next lab for you people. I will change my position, not more than 2 minutes. I'll wind up the class within 2 minutes. See guys, okay, you people did the first lab. You people did the first lab, guys. Okay, second lab, yeah, there should be, I expect, guys, there should be some improvement. I expect that there should be some improvement in me as well as you people, because we have spent 2 hours in that session, right? So tomorrow once again I have the lab from 11 to I think 11 o'clock only. I don't know, I don't have the timetable with me, but if I'm correct, I have the class at 11 o'clock. At least those who people are having the laptop, okay, those who people are having the laptop, be ready with laptop tomorrow. I don't want to waste my time, guys. If you are using mobile, switch to your laptop. I don't want to waste my time tomorrow. As soon as I start the lab, I want you people to be ready with laptop. Okay, now theory classes or any other subjects, I don't know whether you people are using laptop or mobile. I'm the one who is least bothered. But for tomorrow lab, I want you people to join using laptop if you are having. Or if you are having desktop, you can log in through desktop. And any online compilers, no installation is required. Okay? Will you people do that one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, you can leave for the day, have your breakfast, and get ready for the next class. Thank you, guys.
Thank
Tomorrow
you,
we will
sir.
see the
Thank you, sir.
other level of programs.
Thank you,
Previous week only we are seeing the basics, displaying hello world or what is kind of structure of a C program. and we are seeing some 3 to 4 examples: area of a rectangle, area of a circle, addition of 2 numbers. We are seeing those traditional programs. So let us see a better improvement in this session, in this week. 2 days are there, tomorrow and day after tomorrow. We shall see that one, guys. Thank you all. Just relax and join for the next.
Thank you, sir.
And guys, I have shared that first module introduction topic is there at the theory, generations of computers, so types of computers, so structure of a computer, that I have shared. That might help you people to write assignment. First assignment. Second assignment I'm going to give today or tomorrow. Second assignment I will give today or tomorrow. You can submit that by next Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, right? So by next Wednesday you can submit that one. I don't give more questions. 5 questions, more than enough. Simple agi, important questions for the internals I'll give. Okay. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I'll tell again.